Fitting your own shower tray riser kit could save you valuable time and money. But remember to always consult a professional if you aren't comfortable with intermediate DIY tasks. Start by laying the shower tray in position and marking the outline and waste hole position. Move the tray to one side and drill the holes for the fixing brackets into the floor. Make sure to use the necessary safety equipment. Fit the brackets, leaving a 2mm gap for the edge of the riser panel. Install the shower tray ways now. Check out our guide on how to do this here. Once fitted, put together the leg assemblies as shown in the instructions. Remove one side of the adhesive pad and fix to your leg assembly. Then repeat this for the remaining legs and place all assemblies in the correct positions, but do not affix them at this point. Now fix the panel brackets to the outer edges. Make sure to leave a 5mm gap at the edge for the connecting Velcro strip. Clean surfaces of debris, then fix the leg assemblies in place using the adhesive strips. With all of the leg assemblies fixed in place, set each leg to 96mm from the shower tray. Now flip the shower tray over and connect to the waste pipe. Then remove all of the protective film. Place the tray in position and check that it's level, adjusting the legs if necessary. Now measure the length of the panel needed and cut to size, then remove the protective film. Fix the Velcro strips to the panel brackets, and finally fit the panel to the tray and cap the joints with the supplied covers.